I'm Zach from SysConnects and welcome back, guys. How you doing today? Hope you're all good and enjoying your week, really. Today's video, I'm going to show you something that honestly still blows my mind every time I use it, helping me with my daily tasks. This is my AI-powered infrastructure ops. From a day-to-day basis to do my daily checks and network monitoring to ensure the network is running smoothly. Today, I'm going to show you its real power, not mock-ups, real network devices, real automation, driven entirely by AI within human readable language. Last time I introduced the architecture to you and how I'm actually testing this. I would advise, if you haven't watched that video, go back and catch up on what. I don't want to stay to the end of this because we have something incredible to show you, Today we're going to understand a little bit more about this, what the commands we can run, how we can run them, the range of commands, the speed, the intelligence, and why this changes everything for network engineers and IT teams moving forward. Here we are in the network sort of inventory, and yeah, as you can see here, we can create switches, routers, servers, firewalls, cloud. Going to come. We can also integrate with GitHub, email, Slack, ServiceNow. So yeah, you can sort of already see the real power of this and how this is going to how this is going to look. Still, we're going to have reporting and analytics needs to come. Then we're going to have obviously team members where you can invite your teams, use it for user management, roles and permissions and all those types of things. So yeah, let's dive into the AI-powered infrastructure ops. Let's begin with a command that every network engineer knows and uses from a day-to-day basis. Okay. While this is running, I just wanted you to understand how this is picking up the credentials and the IP addresses to know where to talk to and what devices to talk to. So it's all of these guys here, router 1, router 2, switch 1, switch 2, and they're really important that you name the name when you're typing into the chat. So this is a testbed YAML file which is used to SSH into the devices you and Paramika, running the show run IP interface brief command on all the devices in the network. Look at this. So I mean, this might look simple, but look what's actually happening. The AI here has taken my request, passed it to the containerized PyATS, executed the real command on real hardware. Wow. You can see it's the default route here with this next hop of 192.168.1.200, which is my Cisco WireGuard VM. So it knows to send the traffic back up to Azure. Yeah, and just to make sure, so you know that I'm not lying and this is real live data. These aren't simulated output files. Same command as you would normally logging in. Imagine doing this on each device. Anyway, see here, look, default route pointing to the WireGuard VM. This is live data. Incredible stuff. Okay, now let's move on to the next one so you can see the power again. This is the first layer of automation with network and AI. Now we're going to move on to something a little bit more impressive. So now what I'm going to do is run here we go, it's run the show VLAN brief. So as you can see, both switch 1 and switch 2 have these VLANs 100. So what I'm going to do is create another VLAN, and then I'm going to run the same command to see if it's populated. Okay, so can you create VLAN 255 on switch 1 and switch 2, please? Should always say please and thank you to your AI. It will respond better. No, I'm joking, not really. Wow, look at that. VLAN 255. Look, there it is. VLAN 255 created. We created that with AI powered automation. Incredible stuff. I hope you're really seeing the power of this and the flexibility and what we can really do with this, you know. So now I'm going to speak to the Linux VM that we have on our network as well, so you can see Linux as well. So now you can see the full picture. We're going to start automating with servers as well now. The WireGuard VM Linux version. Incredible, great stuff. Okay, now I'm going to show you the secret sauce, the multi-system power, and yeah, I'm gonna fire up with something really cool that I've made. So this command is going to speak to all the devices in the testbed.yaml file that we have listed in there. Windows server doesn't work at the moment, but wow, look at this. Anyway, I'll start from the top so you can see. Essentially what it does is it runs a show IP interface brief, checks the interfaces for us, the health, they're up, you've got an IP address assigned to it, and then it also then finds out what's going on with the CPU of the device, you know. So as you can see here, 23%, and that's on router 1 Cisco. So if you go down, all the way down, and yeah, it's exactly the same command, you know, run on the router. And the same with the switch, exactly the same. It's just checking the interfaces are up with the IP addresses and all those types of lovely type of things, and then it's going to come back with the CPU information. So that's the switch 1, switch 2 as well, same sort of thing. And then it's done exactly the same thing on the Linux. So it's just checking the interfaces, network interfaces cards on the Linux box. Has it got an IP address assigned to it? Is it up? Is it down? Yeah, all these amazing types of things really. And then it's just checking the CPU that's being used on the box, that current one, when we run the command. And this AI automation has done exactly what a network engineer will have to do in, I don't know, let's just say 15 to 30 minutes. You know, so the time. What you have just watched is one layer here. The foundation. Commands, troubleshooting, cross-perform check. Soon this will scale into full workflows. You know, troubleshooting ServiceNow tickets, automated remediation, patching and backup. This is the next evolution of infrastructure engineering, and we're building it step by step with you on this YouTube channel. And you can see firsthand exactly how it's working. And I'm going to keep bringing more content to you guys. I think the next one I'm going to start with is